And today we're taking a look at how to pasteurize eggs. And this is simple and easy, anyone could do. And this is great for recipes that call to use raw eggs. For example, if you want to use it to make homemade mayo. And if you want to learn how to do that, we're going to leave a link on the description for our video, how to make homemade mayo. So what you're going to need is some eggs, a saucepan, water, a thermometer, and a timer or stopwatch. Or you can use your smartphone. And running cold water, or you can use an ice cold bath. The first thing that we're going to do is take our saucepan and place it on the stove. Then we're going to place our eggs. And then we're going to fill it with water about 1 inch above the eggs. We can go ahead and turn on the stove. We're going to go ahead and place it on medium heat, or halfway, or the number 5. Now, what we want to do is place our thermometer on the water. We don't want the thermometer to hit the pan. We only want to measure the temperature of the water. And our goal is to get the temperature from 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And we do that by adjusting the stove's temperature accordingly. And if using regular size eggs or large eggs, we want to get that temperature for 3 minutes. If using jumbo eggs, then you want to take it up to 5 minutes. And here's how we do it. And when we get to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, we lower it 1 number down. When we get around 126 to 130 degrees, we lower it to low. When we get to our target number of 135 degrees Fahrenheit, we start our timer or stopwatch and place your temperature on simmering, or the lowest setting. If we notice the temperature starts climbing to 138 degrees, which it usually does, around 137, 138, we go ahead and remove it from the burner and turn off the stove. And we go ahead and place it on another burner that's not on. If we see the temperature dipping, then we would go ahead and place it on the burner again that was on previously, but we don't turn it on. And now, after playing ping pong with your stove, we're almost at the 3-minute mark. And once we hit that magic number, now you can take your egg or eggs and place it on an ice bath or run it through cold water. And now that you're a master in stove button touching, you can get a job at a stove maker factory touching buttons. But if you don't want to do that, now you're ready to use your eggs for your raw egg recipe. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.